Ready to see what everyone's raving about? These crazy Amazon home gadgets are taking over for a reason. They clean faster, save space, and make everyday life way more fun. From smart tools to unexpected must-haves, your home's about to feel next level. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Travel like a pro with luggage that keeps up with you. This super large hard-side suitcase glides on spinner wheels and even lets you remove them if needed. No zippers to fuss with, just a sleek, secure design with built-in cup and phone holders. The aluminum frame makes it tough enough to handle any trip while keeping your belongings safe. Lightweight, practical, and stylish, it's ready for any adventure, from airports to road trips. Keep your phone safe no matter where you go. This waterproof pouch floats, protects, and even stores your essentials in a separate pocket for cards, cash, or keys. The clear TPU lets you see and use your screen easily, and the camera works perfectly underwater. With a buoyant design and adjustable lanyard, your phone stays secure and easy to grab. Perfect for the beach, pool, kayaking, or any water adventure without a worry. Your perfect drink is just a minute away. This smart brewer crafts endless combinations, from coffee and lattes to tea and hot chocolate, all with rich, fresh flavor every time. Its pack-to-cup brewing system keeps every sip pure and free from flavor mixing. The removable 2.5-liter tank and adjustable stand make it easy to fill, clean, and fit your favorite travel mug. Fast, fresh, and effortless. It's your personal cafe for any craving. Turn your backyard into a summer oasis with this inflatable above-ground pool, perfect for splashing, playing, and making lasting memories with family and friends. A built-in bench and supportive backrest let parents relax comfortably while staying close to the fun. Made from tough 13-gauge vinyl, it's built to last and holds up to 156 gallons of water for endless enjoyment. 2 air chambers with combo valves make setup and takedown quick and effortless. Say goodbye to messy soap pumps. This touchless foam dispenser senses your hands and delivers the perfect amount every time. You can choose from 7 foam levels to avoid waste, and the automatic cleaning function keeps it clog-free. USB rechargeable with a long-lasting battery, it works hundreds of uses on a single charge. Place it on the counter or mount it on the wall. It's hygienic, convenient, and sleek for any kitchen or bathroom. Bring a tiny ocean to your desk. This 3D dynamic sand art flows like liquid, creating a new scene every time you turn it. The colorful sand glides smoothly, making patterns that are soothing to watch and perfect for relieving stress. Crystal clear glass keeps every detail visible so you can enjoy the calming motion fully. Place it on your desk, shelf, or table. It's a relaxing show that never repeats. Watch science come alive on your desk. This Ferrofluid display moves and twists with the beat of any music, turning sound into a mesmerizing visual show. The crystal clear glass and LED backlight make every swirl and spike pop, creating a hypnotic effect that's perfect for focus or relaxation. Battery-powered and portable, you can place it anywhere near a speaker. It's a unique, stress-relieving decoration that doubles as a conversation starter. Tired of bending over while sweeping? This touchless vacuum dustpan does all the work for you. Infrared sensors detect your motion and power it on automatically, so you just sweep and it grabs dust, hair, and crumbs. With 20 kPa suction and a HEPA filter, even the tiniest particles are gone, and the air stays clean. Switch to tool mode for precise corners or hard-to-reach spots. Lightweight, compact, and easy to maintain, it's perfect for homes, pets, or salons. Bring a touch of retro elegance to your desk with this wired typewriter-style mechanical keyboard. Featuring round, double-shot injection keycaps with crisp blue switches, it delivers a satisfying click and responsive typing for work or gaming. The white backlit aluminum panel adds style and functionality, while 104-key anti-ghosting ensures every press registers accurately. Ergonomic design, media controls, and universal USB compatibility make it perfect for long hours at your PC or laptop. Wake up in style with this projection alarm clock that lights up your room and your ceiling. Its 180-degree rotatable projector clearly displays the time where you need it, while the 7.4-inch mirror LED screen doubles as a makeup mirror. Choose from 11 RGB display colors and 10 nightlight modes to set the vibe. USB-C and USB-A ports keep your devices charged overnight. Protect your sensitive information with this 6-sheet microcut paper shredder, perfect for home or small office use. It transforms documents, credit cards, and staples into tiny, unreadable pieces for maximum security. The compact design features a 3.4-gallon transparent wastebasket and a convenient handle for easy portability. Auto start, stop, reverse, and thermal protection ensure safe, hassle-free shredding, making it an essential tool for personal or professional use. Keep your skincare and snacks perfectly chilled with this portable mini fridge. It holds up to 6 cans or your favorite creams, and the removable divider keeps everything organized. Switch between cooling and warming modes to suit cosmetics or food, and adjust the LED light for makeup or ambiance. Ultra-quiet operation means it won't disturb your space. Upgrade your oral care with this portable water flosser. It shoots high-pressure pulses to remove plaque, debris, and stains where brushes can't reach. The extra-large 300-milliliter tank means fewer refills, and multiple modes let you adjust pressure for sensitive gums. Fully rechargeable, waterproof, and lightweight, it's perfect for home or travel. Easy to use, gentle, and effective. A smarter way to keep your smile healthy. Make ice cream in a mug? Yes, really. This mini soft-serve machine turns frozen bases into ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in about 20 minutes. The built-in chute lets you mix in your favorite toppings while it spins. Its clever mug design means you can enjoy your treats straight from the maker. Compact, easy to clean, and perfect for single servings anytime. Turn any corner into a showstopper with this RGB ripple floor lamp. It casts colorful, rotating water-like patterns across walls and ceilings, or switches to focused white light for work or reading. You can mix zones, set scenes, or sync it with music for a dynamic vibe. Works with Alexa and smart apps for effortless control. Sleek, modern, and perfect for creating mood lighting anywhere in your home. Turn any room into a colorful experience with these smart LED bulbs. You can pick from millions of colors, adjust brightness, or set schedules right from your phone. Sync them with music for an instant party or gaming vibe. They work hands-free with Alexa or Google Home. No extra hub needed. Energy efficient and easy to install. They make lighting fun, functional, and totally under your control. Turn your kitchen into a mini infusion lab with this Herbal Oil Maker. It dries, activates, and infuses herbs into butter, oils, or honey, all with the push of a button. The built-in carbon filter keeps odors low while ensuring rich, clean results every time. You can customize time and temperature or let it run automatically. Perfect for homemade gummies, brownies, and creative herbal blends made easy. Bring a touch of calm to your space with this Titanic-inspired humidifier and aroma diffuser. It releases a cool, fine mist that keeps the air fresh while spreading your favorite essential oils. Choose between steady mist or gentle rhythmic pulses, all paired with soothing LED lights. You can set timers, control it remotely, and enjoy quiet operation all night. It's sleek, safe, and perfect for creating a peaceful vibe anywhere. When your TV doubles as art, every wall becomes a gallery. This 4K smart display transforms into a lifelike painting when not in use, showcasing thousands of famous artworks with rich, museum-grade color. The matte screen eliminates glare for a realistic, canvas-like look. You can customize the frame to match your decor and control it all hands-free with Alexa. Sleek, smart, and effortlessly stylish. Say goodbye to hoops that keep falling mid-workout. This smart hula hoop stays securely around your waist as you move, making exercise fun and frustration-free. The weighted ball spins smoothly to give you a full cardio session while toning your core. Just 30 minutes feels like a jog, but way more enjoyable. It's adjustable, easy to use, and perfect for spicing up your home workouts. Meet the gym that actually fits in your home. This AI-powered fitness system gives you a personal coach, real-time form correction, and over 280 guided exercises right on a massive touchscreen. It tracks your reps, calories, and progress automatically, adjusting resistance as you improve. You can even play motion-based fitness games for fun workouts that fly by. If your bedroom feels a little too ordinary, here's a concept that's pure imagination. The jelly bed is a playful idea that looks like a giant cube of candy and feels like a soft, bouncy cloud in your dreams. It's designed to wobble, glow, and make you smile while still offering perfect comfort and support. Think of it as furniture meets fantasy, a bed that turns rest into a sweet, squishy adventure. Not real yet, but definitely a concept we'd all love to see come to life. Outdoor relaxation just got an upgrade. This double camping chair comes with a full 4-sided canopy that blocks sunlight from every angle while giving you control over privacy and airflow. The removable roof lets you switch between full shade and open sky comfort in seconds. Each seat includes a cup holder, a side pocket, and its own cooler bag. Perfect for keeping drinks chilled all day. Built from tough steel and thick Oxford fabric, it's sturdy, spacious, and made for pure comfort wherever you set it up. Who knew paper could be this strong? This foldable stool pops open like a book, forming a sturdy honeycomb seat with a soft felt cushion on top. When you're done, it folds flat and slips neatly onto a shelf. It's lightweight, portable, and adds a fun, modern twist to any room. Perfect as an extra seat, footrest, or a creative decor piece you'll actually use. Your memories deserve more than a dull frame. This smart digital display brings photos and videos to life on a floating, transparent screen that glows with customizable colors. You can send pictures, notes, or countdowns straight to it from your phone. No subscription or tech hassle needed. It even doubles as a live desk display showing weather, reminders, or clocks. A personal, futuristic gift that always feels alive. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.